Hi everybody, Jim here, and I'm back up at the New Hampshire land, and we're going to go kayak up through the meadow and explore that. I'm glad you're with me. Like and subscribe. Here we go. It's a nice day today. It's pretty warm. It's not full sun, there's some clouds. Makes it nice. It's 4th of July weekend, Saturday. I hope everybody's having a good time. I hope you're happy most of all. I hope things are going your way and you feel good. We got a blowdown we got to go over right now. And it's shallowing down to about a foot. And the idea here is to see, as we go up through the meadow, is it navigable all the way up to the end of the property? I think there's enough water that comes in here, and it moves fast enough that we've got a pretty open channel, but I don't know what it looks like further up. So that's what we're going to check out today. This is a property I acquired with no specific plans for it, other than, you know, I thought that not only would it be a good investment, but more importantly, it might be a cool place to build a cabin. There's lots of tall red pines on this property. It would lend itself to a cabin here. So you can see things are narrowing out here, getting a little narrow. Alright, I hear water running up here. You can see it on the video. I don't know if this is something that was dammed up by beavers or just naturally. Yeah, it looks like a beaver dam. Alright, so we got a portage a little bit here. It's a wonderful day. I love New England summers. They're really good. I'm not too keen on New England winters. I really love it out west. Quite a bit planned this fall. Late August, I'll be back in Nevada and getting the van ready for a trip up north. Here's the beaver house. I don't know, we might be getting to the end of the line. All right, take a look around. I've gone about as far as I can go. There's still little tributaries that go up through, but I think they're just too narrow and too shallow for me to make any time. I was hoping that it would go all the way to that brush that you see up there, which is where the river comes in. But it doesn't look like it from here. I could wade up a little bit further and drag the boat and see what I find. So take a look. It's a cool spot. Not sure there's much you can do with it, but